Okay, go ahead and tell me.
No.
Why?
I don't like that.
Why? Okay, that's off. What are you scared of?
I'm scared of the tornadoes.
What about it?
It can suck you up and throw you all the way up in the sky, and then it can kill you.
Oh.
It can actually do that.
Well, we're in the basement right now, huh?
I'm still scared of the basement. Because, because
It's just really heavy rain, honey.
get the flashlight ready.
It's just rain. And see how you know why it sounds so bad?
Mm-hmm.
See the plastic on the windows over there in the basement? It's just moving a lot. It's okay. Come here.
It's a tornado.